So we're trying to figure out the cost of 95 monthly messages, 95 message units in a month. Well, the monthly rate up to 75 is 20% less than the standard rate of $10. So that means you're going to be paying 80% of the $10. And then you've got 95 messages, so you've got another 20 messages to account for. And that's going to be at 0.065 each. So 0.8 times 10 is just 8. Plus, so 20 times 0.065, that's not much. 0.065 times 20. Move that 0 out of the way. 2 times 5 is 10. 12 is 13. And you're moving it 3 places. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. So it's 8 plus $1.30. And that's $9.30. And that's answer A.